Our last type of rock is a metamorphic rock. I'll talk about how it forms, the two different types, and the real life uses. How it forms. They form from any rock. So this is where the rock cycle comes in when we're talking about metamorphic rocks. It has to be deep below the Earth's surface. So any rock deep below the surface where there's a lot of heat and there's a lot of pressure that's actually changing the minerals that make up these rocks. Or they're folding the rocks. They're really hot and they can actually fold them, and that's where they get the nice little lines that all metamorphic rocks have. So deep below the surface, and it can come from any kind of rock, igneous, sedimentary, or a different metamorphic rock. There are two types. There is foliated and there's non-foliated. Foliated is when the mineral grains are arranged in parallel lines. In bands. So here's my rock. I've got some nice layers in it. That's how you really know, when you can see the bands. Other ones are kind of hard to identify. Non-foliated is when the mineral grains are random, and they also does not split into layers. Where the foliated ones, you can actually break it and you could get like a clean cut between those bands that you see. All right, an example of a foliated rock would be slate, schist, or gneiss. And a non-foliated rock would be like quartzite or marble. And all of these come from different kinds of rocks. So they're different kinds of sedimentary rocks. Then they go through a lot of heat and pressure and they turn into something new. Real life uses of metamorphic rocks. Marble can be used for kitchen countertops. Statues, building materials. Slate is a really nice rock. It comes from a sedimentary rock. This can be roof tiles, blackboards that you write with chalk. Schist and slate can be used for landscaping. So around your house, around different buildings, that's where you see that. And then our last one, quartzite. This can be crushed up and put around railroad tracks. Here are some examples. We've got marble here, gneiss. Here's another form of gneiss. And then schist. This one has mica in it, that very thin mineral that looks kind of like paper, but it's see-through, where it looks like plastic. And that actually comes off in little shards when you hold on to it. So it leaves your hand kind of shiny, and that's called schist. And gneiss is just super pretty. You can definitely see the bands here. It's foliated. Same with this one here. Really nice bands.